Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a seamless video loop in CapCut PC. Let's begin. First, open CapCut and add your clip to your timeline. Now, I want you to copy and duplicate your original clip and place it just a few seconds before your original clip ends. Now, select the duplicated video. On the very first second, make sure to set the opacity to 0, add a keyframe, and just before the original clip ends, add another keyframe, but set the opacity to 100. Here, this is how it looks. Then what we need to do is create a compound clip. With our compound clip created, just a few seconds, could be like 2 to 3 seconds, cut or split the video, and we're going to do the same right over here. Okay, set the opacity to 0, add a keyframe, and just a few seconds before the original clip ends, set the opacity to 100 and add a keyframe, and make sure to double check how it looks. Then create compound clip. Then go ahead easily copy paste this as many times as you want. And there you go. You have successfully created a seamless video loop in your CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.